How'd you get that tall, Chippy? He was super short. Now you sitting up here all skinny legs and tall. What? Day 22. Look at that beard. It's so fluffy. So I'm just about done. More presents underneath here. I got like 6 more to do and then I'll be done. Whew, now I see why I waited to the last minute to wrap. Jeez. When I tell y'all I am tired. We left work at 3:30. It took what usually is like a 15 to 20 minute trip to my in-laws turned into 45 minutes. And then once we picked up Jackson and Janelle, what usually is like a 30 to 40 minute trip from their house to our house turned into 2 hours and 15 minutes. Your girl is tired. Like, I'm beyond grateful we didn't get as much snow as what was anticipated, but that long, I can't even imagine what time we would have got home had we left at our regular time. Crazy. And then I still came in here and wrapped gifts because I needed to get it done. So, yeah. Just, yeah. It's, looking like a no for working in person tomorrow because even with it not being that much snow, those roads are going to be icy. The temperature is, I'm sure, already below 0. So yeah, it's looking like a remote day because ain't nobody got time for that. So once these kids go down, I'm about to go down and call it one. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.